Hey there! Welcome to today's video. I'll be guiding you through the steps to permanently delete your Pocket Option account. It's a simple and straightforward process, so let's get started. First, find your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to access your profile settings. Alternatively, you can click on Profile in the left-hand menu. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option labeled Profile again and click on it. This will take you to your detailed profile settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Click on it to proceed. You will be prompted to choose a specific reason for deleting your account. So, click on the Reason dropdown and choose a reason. You'll be prompted to confirm that you want to delete your account. Confirm your decision by clicking on the appropriate button. To complete the deletion process, you'll need to refrain from logging into your account for the next 30 days. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted and all associated data will be removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Pocket Option account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.